Prestige M7 world premiere here at the Cannes Yachting Festival. Follow us. Lately, clients and owners have been asking for lounges where they can spend time with friends, guests, and the sea in the most comfortable way possible. Catamarans are responding to this, and motor catamarans like this M7 are answering exactly this demand. Give me the maximum space, the utmost comfort, prestige, and there's even added luxury, but let's go discover the details. We're looking at a length of just under 18 meters. But keep in mind that the width is just under 8 meters, so what really makes the difference compared to a monohull is the possibility of having so much width, which gives us a salon that is unbeatable in every way and truly exceptional spaces on board. Given the size of the boat and the time available, since I want to keep this video fairly concise, I won't be able to show you every single detail of this yacht, but we'll definitely start with the cabins and the saloon, which is the boat's standout feature. Follow us. The kitchen is on the port side, so on the left hull of the boat inside the saloon. As you can see, it's a functional yet stylish kitchen. It looks like a Rifra, so beautiful and clean in every line. It's functional because I can move around very comfortably to prepare everything. I don't know how to cook, but from what I see from those who do, space is always needed, and here there's plenty of it. A helm station that's different from what you find on smaller boats, of course. Here we have a control panel that's 100% functional with all the controls repeated, everything you need. But the main helm station is on the flybridge, giving you the ability to see everything around you. Here inside, if necessary, whether you need to perform particular maneuvers or you have to navigate for a long time and make small adjustments, you also have a control panel here in the salon, which can of course be operated directly by the captain, the skipper, or the owner if they're the same person. As you can see, the right side of the saloon is also extremely comfortable. We have a sofa, a lounge, a real living room with an exceptional view. Let's also take a look at the guest cabins that are on board. You go down the stairs. In this area we have two cabins, one on the right and one on the left. We are on the starboard hull of the boat. Both cabins have a double bed on one side and a bunk bed on the other, but each cabin has its own separate bathroom. Follow me and we'll also take a look at the owner's cabin. But first, let's check out the VIP guest cabin. Since being VIPs, they're located right at the bow with a double bed and its own separate bathroom. Look at the headroom we have available and the width. We're only on the port hull, just the port side. Separate toilet, separate shower. In short, it's true that we have the possibility and the space to do it, but doing it well makes all the difference. Come into the owner's cabin as well. Look at this. Wow, what a sight. More than a cabin, it looks like a room in a 6, 5 or even 7-star hotel. Also because you get a breathtaking sea view like this from any spot. Of course, the bathroom is separate, the spa-like shower is separate, it speaks for itself. The solution for the bow sunbathing area was to create a huge sun pad. Obviously, because we have the space to do it, but to make it in two separate identical sections, each comfortably fitting 3 to 4 people to sunbathe. There's also the option of having this lowered area facing the sea, so you can sit and enjoy the navigation from this part of the boat while underway. But let's also take a look at the flybridge, just to give a complete overview of everything. I don't even know what words to use anymore because I keep saying gigantic, enormous, exceptional, but in fact the ability to take advantage of a width of almost 8 meters allows you to do, and Prestige does this extremely well, absolutely anything with the space. We have a roof, a rigid T-top that opens in the center, and the comfort area in this spot on board is truly unique. The helm station is right in front of me. At the moment, I'm in the galley, but let's also take a closer look at the helm station. This is the main command station of the boat. In fact, at this station, whether it's the captain, the deckhand, or the owner, whoever is qualified to operate this boat can control and monitor everything, both during maneuvers and while navigating. We have all the control instruments needed to cover many miles at sea and enjoy it to the fullest. I'm talking directly to you, the sailor, the captain, the skipper of the boat, who might have to stay on board with the owner the whole time. Often, many of your colleagues are forced to stay under duress. Maybe it's even happened to you that you've had to sleep in the salon because boats of 15 to 18 meters often didn't have a dedicated cabin. On this Precision, however, we actually have two. All you have to do is press a button to access a fully private cabin, offering you maximum privacy. Captain's or crew cabin with two separate beds, more crossed than bunked, and of course a separate bathroom complete with a shower, ensuring the utmost privacy inside my cabin. And furthermore, if you have a large crew and want to ensure they have complete privacy and stay organized, for their own respect of course, we have an additional crew cabin. So it's a storage locker to store everything that's on the boat, or as it is right now, it's set up as a crew cabin. The swim platform, of course, lowers into the water. There's a gangway, and here we are on this sea terrace of the Prestige M7, a brand new model, a world premiere. You'll find all the technical specifications of the boat right in the drop down of this video, as well as all our contact information, so you can write to us, set up an appointment, whatever you prefer, to get more information, delivery times, detailed pricing, and everything about this Prestige MS7. From the beautiful Cannes Yachting Festival, all that's left for me to say is fair winds and always keep an eye on the weather.